Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
All right, guys, 2020 Ram Rebel 5.7 HEMI. Really nice truck, got custom wheels. Really beautiful truck. What we got done on it, factory converter wise into a single, factory resonator, a baby one. Then what we did is put a FLOWMASTER OUTLAW, part number 15430S, as in Sam. There's the box hope for it. There's the part number right there, guys. 15430S as in Sam. All right, FLOWMASTER short, Outlaw. Then we added a 3-inch pipe. Then it wires out the back on each side, there and there. And then we left the stock resonators on it, there and there. And put some 5-inch black rolled tips to complete the look, complete the murdered look. Came out really nice, really clean. There's the stock muffler. And the stock tips right there. That's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. All right, guys, we got a 2020 Ram all the way from Indiana. They were vacationing in Florida, came back and said, we got to visit Exhaust Addicts, make it sound good for them. So that's what we did. Lifted 5 inches, really nice truck. Just got a really nice stance to it. I'm thinking to get that for my Ram. I like that American flag emblem. Anyways, what we got done on this beautiful beast. Factory converter, then it wires into a single. And there was a resonator here. We took it off and put a CARVEN TR performance muffler, part number right there. Then 3-inch pipe continues, and he had a muffler delete done somewhere else right there. It's still in good shape, so we didn't do anything to it. Then it wires back out on each side there and there. And then he had a resonator delete there and there. And we took off the original tips that were on it right there. And put 5-inch black tips to complete the look. It looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, as you guys can see. Just a nice, good-looking truck. There's that resonator that was on it that we took off. That's how it looks like on the inside, or you see all the pipes, the holes. There's the tips. So that's what was on it. We put 5-inch tips in this place. Now it sounds like a Ram. Yes, perfect. There's sound decibels again. 105. That's perfect. I like it. That's keeping the resonators on it, guys. Go ahead and back it out. Even in the rain, we'll record a video for you guys. Touch on the Ram. Check that out, guys. That's cool. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ready? That's better. It just cleans up the tone. She likes it. Do you approve? Do you approve?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Again? Wow, that sounds nice. Got a nice pop to it. 130. Again? I love that pop. Go ahead and back it up. Man, I'm jealous. I gotta get my truck lifted. I'm happy that it went half price, so I gotta get it lifted. Yeah, they dropped the price on it. That sounds so good. What do you guys think? Look at that stance on that truck. Just a beautiful truck all the way around. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let you guys hear on the inside. Really nice truck. FLOWMASTER OUTLAW, stock resonators, 5-inch tips. Perfect. Enjoy, guys. Ram 1500, 5-inch lift, CARVEN TR mid, muffler delete, and rear resonator delete, 5-inch tips.